Create Retreat.
Create Retreat.
Create Retreat.
Create Retreat. Create Retreat.
My favorite part of Create Retreat is the sisterhood that we all have. They've all turned into family, like-minded photographers. Having each other's back, being able to ask questions, great opportunity to learn and grow.
My favorite part of Create Retreat would definitely have to be the connections made when you don't have anyone to talk to. It's a very lonely feeling, and being able to be a part of that community is just huge in itself. When I came last year, I was basically starting from scratch. So I was truly trying to find myself, and this community helped me do that.
My favorite part of Create Retreat is just getting to meet with all of these creative photographer friends to bounce ideas off of and just be helpful and supportive in my corner for my business. Biggest impact is probably just having a group of people that are in my corner to support, to help me.
My favorite part of Create Retreat is spending time with the sweet connections that I made over the past 2 years. Just dream about what's next for your business in order for it to be sustainable. The most impactful thing for me was the accountability.
It can be really scary and really hard, and the only thing that's going to get you through is believing in yourself and knowing that you have to stand out. I know that some of us it comes more naturally and some of it's harder to show up online. I want to focus on our why. I want you to just brain dump your why.
My favorite part of Create Retreat is the friendships that I have made with the other photographers who have attended. A lot of people who have been here have already been where you are currently, so they've been through those battles and struggles, and so you're able to overcome those struggles quicker in your business because you have friends that are more than willing to give you advice and not see you struggle.
My favorite part of Create Retreat, without a doubt, is community. It just feels like there's always an opportunity to ask questions. There's no stupid questions. There's always somebody who knows input from different folks and that are a lot more experienced than me, and they don't ever mind sharing their wisdom. I grew a ton my very first year, and I absolutely believe it was because of Create Retreat, just because of this group of girls who have just willingly and freely shared knowledge and information. Have a team of great, experienced, knowledgeable friends.